Elena had it all. Head chef at Paradiso, 8 years of culinary brilliance, a name that made critics smile and diners swoon. But then, the fire. A kitchen accident, an explosion of steam. And just like that, Elena lost her sense of taste. Doctors called it anosmia, a total loss of taste and smell. For a chef, it was a death sentence. Her boss Tony tried to be gentle. "Elena, I'm sorry, but how can you run a kitchen if you can't taste the food?" That night, Elena sat alone in her darkened restaurant. She dipped a spoon into her signature marinara sauce, the sauce that made Paradiso famous. She tasted nothing. It might as well have been cardboard. Most people would have quit, found a new path, moved on. But Elena chose war. The next morning, she gathered her team. "I can't taste anymore," she said, "but I'm not quitting." Then her sous chef, Miguel, stepped forward. "Chef, what do you need us to do?" She said, "Become my taste buds. But more than that, help me cook with my other senses." And what followed was nothing short of extraordinary. Elena reinvented how she cooked. She studied the science of food like a scholar, learned to read the color of perfect caramelization, listened to the sound of a perfect sear, felt textures with a touch so precise it bordered on magical. And she built a system. Her team described every flavor, every nuance. The acidity needs to be sharper. Add half a teaspoon of lemon. Every dish became an experiment, every plate a calculated masterpiece. But she didn't stop there. Elena began designing meals for people with dietary needs, diabetes, allergies, heart conditions. She couldn't taste, but she could understand chemistry, balance, and nutrition. Her food became more thoughtful, more intentional, more human. Paradiso became legendary again. Elena wrote a book, Cooking Beyond Taste, opened a school for disabled chefs, gave TED Talks on turning setbacks into breakthroughs. 2 years later, at the James Beard Awards, Elena took the stage. Success isn't about being perfect. It's about being unstoppable. So when life takes something away, don't ask, "Why me?" Ask, "What now?" Because the comeback doesn't start when the pain ends. It starts when you decide to rise anyway.